Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Reliant Ribbon
and Fern Trust.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, it's time for Mardi Gras, and we're celebrating using beautiful ribbon from Reliant and all sorts of beautiful flowers. It's Mardi Gras time, and we're going to make a Mardi Gras arrangement. Our inspiration for this is our ribbon from Reliant. We've got great looking ribbon that has fleur-de-lis, and it also has the Mardi Gras colors, purple, gold, and green. We've used a chalice container because I think that has a great feel for Mardi Gras as well. And we're going to use our ribbon as a starting point. So when you think about Mardi Gras, you think about a big opulent arrangement. There's so much stuff going on. I wanted to use all sorts of different flowers that are unique and unusual in this arrangement. I created a bow using the two different kinds of ribbon. We're going to accent it off this side, and it's going to drape down onto the table. Now let's get started with the arrangement. The foam base is several blocks of foam stacked on top of each other, and I anchor tape them to the container. We'll start with our tallest flowers. These are yellow kangaroo paws from Bandy Ranch Farm. They're beautiful. Then I'll add purple iris from Sun Valley. These are tight, and when they open, they actually resemble a fleur-de-lis. Perfect for Mardi Gras. Next, a purple hydrangea from Grow Flowers. This gives great texture and a focal emphasis to the arrangement. Gold is a big part of Mardi Gras, so these color-fresh gold aspidistra leaves are going to be an addition that are going to tie in with our ribbon. It makes it opulent and rich. We'll also use some gold ruscus later. That'll add texture and still have that same great gold color. Some purple spray stock, too, will help carry that purple color through with the iris and the hydrangea. For unusual flowers, we've got pincushions. These are from Bandy Ranch Farm as well. They're beautiful, and that yellow coloration is perfect. What's Mardi Gras without a couple of fancy tulips? These beautiful feather-edged tulips from Sun Valley come in a purple color, and as they open up, they're going to get bigger and travel and move towards the light. I also need some purple foliage. Enter Color Fresh again. It's a perfect opportunity to use the purple tree fern with the shimmer coating. Perfect for Mardi Gras. Our final step is to pop these colors by adding green ball dianthus. The chartreuse color of the green trick and its texture, when added in with the other flowers, makes those colors bubble up. Mardi Gras was definitely our inspiration, and we've got a beautiful arrangement that's over the top, featuring all kinds of Mardi Gras flowers and the beautiful Mardi Gras ribbon from Reliant. It's time to party. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.